Exercise 2.2 of inverse trigonometric functions. Now the question number 1. Prove the following. 3 sin inverse x equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube, where x belongs to minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. Now the solution of question number 1. 3 sin inverse x. Okay. First we have to prove the RHS. Let x equal to sin theta. X equal to sin theta. It means theta equal to sin inverse x. Now put the value in this. Sin inverse 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Okay. Sin 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Using the identity sin 3 theta equal to, the formula of sin 3 theta equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Sin 3 theta equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Right here sin inverse sin 3 theta. Sin inverse sin 3 theta means 3 theta. 3 theta means 3 sin inverse x. This is the LHS of the question, and I have taken the RHS. Simple question. Just put x equal to sin theta. Okay. Now question number 2. The same question. 3 cos inverse x equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. X belongs to such and such. Here is the 1, 2, 3, 4 questions for proof LHS equal to RHS. Let x equal to cos theta. It means theta equal to cos inverse x. Let x equal to this. It means theta equal to that. Put in RHS, right hand side. Cos inverse 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Okay. Now using the identity, cos 3 theta equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. ये formula है cos 3 theta equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Now put the value. Cos inverse cos 3 theta. Inverse and cos cancel. 3 theta. 3 theta means 3 cos inverse x. This is the LHS. Verified. Okay. Now the third one is tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 7 by 24 equal to tan inverse minus 1 by 2. Now using the identity, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Use this identity. Okay. Now this is the x and y. The tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 7 by 24 equal to tan inverse x is 2 by 11 plus 7 by 24 upon 1 minus 2 by 11 into 7 by 24. Now solve this one. Taking LCM, 11 into 24, 264. Okay. Now 11 is 24, 24 into 2, 48 plus 77. Now 1 minus means 264 minus 40 divided by 264. Now solve. Tan inverse, add 8, 7, 15, 125 by 264, 264, and reciprocal 264 by 250. 264 cancel, 20 by 2. You will get tan inverse 1 by 2. RHS of the question. Tan inverse 1 by 2. Simple, using by the identity. Okay. That fourth one is 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 equal to tan inverse 31 by 17. The first 2 tan inverse x. The formula of 2 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Using the formula 2 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse 2x 1 minus x square. Now put the value in this. Tan inverse 2x means 2 into 1 by 2 and 1 minus 1 by 2 square. And tan inverse 1 by 7. Write as it is. Now cancel. Tan inverse 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4. And solve reciprocal of this. Tan inverse 4 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Now use the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Okay. Use this formula. Tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. Now solve. Add y using fraction method. 7 into 3, 21 LCM. 3 7, 28. Next, 21 minus 1 is 21 minus 4 by 21. 21 cancel. It means tan inverse 31 by 17. This is the RHS of the question, 31 by 17. LHS equal to RHS. Now question number 5. Write the following functions in the simplest form. All the functions 5, 6, 7, 8. Simplify. Okay, in the standard form. Let x equal to tan theta. If x equal to tan theta, it means tan inverse one plus tan square theta minus 1 upon tan theta. Okay. Now tan inverse 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. It means sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. Now solve. Tan inverse x. Sec theta is 1 by cos theta minus 1 upon sin theta by cos theta. This question becomes tan inverse 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta cancel हो जाएंगे नीचे से. 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Next step, 1 minus cos theta equal to tan inverse 2 cos square. 1 minus cos theta equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. The formula using 1 minus cos theta and sin theta equal to 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. The formula using cos square cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. And sin 2 theta equal to, we are using this identity, 2 sin theta cos theta. These identity in this part. Now 2 cancel, sin theta by 2 1 cancel. Only you will get tan inverse tan theta by 2. It means answer is theta by 2. And theta equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse x. Theta equal to tan inverse x because tan theta equal to x था ना, तो theta equal to tan inverse x. 1 by 2 tan inverse x. Let tan inverse 1 upon root x square minus 1. Let x equal to sec theta. To convert in the tan, we have to take x equal to sec theta. It means theta equal to sec inverse x. Now put the value tan inverse 1 upon sec square theta minus 1. It means tan inverse 1 upon tan theta. It means tan inverse 1 upon tan theta equal to cot theta. And now convert into the tan because here is the tan inverse. Therefore, tan inverse pi by 2 minus theta. Tan pi by 2 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta. Therefore, cot theta equal to tan. The answer is pi by 2 minus theta. Now write theta equal to sec inverse x. X is theta equal to sec inverse x. The simplest form of this question is pi by 2 minus sec inverse x. Just put x equal to sec theta. Seventh is tan inverse under root 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. X is less than pi. Now use the identity of cos 2 theta. Here 2 sin square x by 2 and 1 plus cos theta 2 cos square x by 2 using the formula of cos 2 theta. Now cancel 2 and tan inverse tan x by 2. Tan inverse tan x by 2. It means x by 2. Very simple cos 2 theta formula of using cos 2 theta. Now the question number 8. The question number 8 is tan inverse cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin. Divide numerator and denominator by cos theta. Divide numerator and denominator by cos theta. It means tan inverse cos x by cos x minus sin x by cos x and denominator cos x by cos x plus sin x by cos x. Denominator. Now it is tan inverse 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x. We know that sin x upon cos x is tan x. This one is 1. Now you can write 1 as a tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 means tan 45 degree equal to tan 45 degree or the tan pi by 4 equal to 1. We know that. Therefore tan pi by 4 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. This is the formula of tan x, tan a minus tan b, 1 plus tan a tan b. It means tan a minus b. Tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus x. This is the formula of tan pi by 4 minus x. Therefore the answer is pi by 4 minus x. The answer is pi by 4 minus x. Question number 9 is find in the simplest form tan inverse equal upon x upon under root a square minus x square. Convert into the simplest form 9 and 10 question. Okay. The question number 9 is tan inverse x upon this. Now put x equal to a sin theta. It means x equal to a sin theta. It means sin theta equal to x upon a. Sin theta equal to x upon a. Or the theta equal to sin inverse x upon a. X upon a sin theta, theta equal to sin inverse x upon a. Now put the values. Tan inverse x equal to a sin theta and under root a square minus a square sin square theta. Okay. Now tan inverse, a sin theta upon a under root 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. A square common take a and 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta. Therefore tan inverse a sin theta upon a cos theta. A cancel, tan inverse tan theta equal to theta and theta equal to sin inverse x upon a. It means sin inverse x upon a. Just put x equal to a sin theta. The question number 10 is tan inverse 3a square x minus x cube upon a cube minus 3x square. Divide numerator and denominator by a cube. Dividing numerator by denominator by a cube. You will get tan inverse a cube. So you will get 3x upon a minus x upon a whole cube and 1 minus 3x upon a square. You will get this. Okay, x upon a 3 minus x upon a whole cube 1 minus 3x upon a square. Now put x upon a equal to tan theta. X upon a equal to tan theta. It means theta equal to tan inverse x upon a. X equal to tan theta. X upon a equal to tan theta. Theta equal to tan inverse. Now put tan inverse 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Recall which one is identity is this? 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta 1 minus 3 tan square theta equal to tan 3 theta. Tan 3 theta. This is the formula of tan 3 theta. You will get 3 theta. It means 3 tan inverse x upon a. Okay. Next one. Find the values of each of the following. Tan inverse 2 cos 2 sin inverse 1 by 2 and so on. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Now find the value of each. Find the value of this one. The first step tan inverse 2 cos. Now 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. The 1 by 2 of value of sin pi by 6. Sin inverse, you write here like this, sin inverse sin pi by 6. First 1 by 2 is the value of sin pi by 6. Next step tan inverse 2 cos x, 2 cos 2 into pi by 6. Now cancel by 3 and tan inverse 2 cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 take cos 60 degree. What is the value of cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. Cos pi by 3 equal to 1 by 2. Cancel. You will get tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 means tan inverse 1 is the value of tan pi by 4. Now you will get the answer is pi by 4. The value of this question is pi by 4. Solve like this. First convert 1 by 2 into sin pi by 6. Pi by 6 then multiplied by 2 pi by 3. The cos pi by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 you will get here 1 and tan 45. Next one is cot tan inverse alpha plus cot inverse alpha. देखिए we are using the identity tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2. This is the identity. Okay, so just put here cot pi by 2. Cot pi by 2 means 0. The value of this function is 0. Simple. Using tan inverse alpha plus cot inverse alpha equal to pi by 2. Use this identity. Cot pi by 2 equal to 0. Next one. Next one is tan 1 by 2 sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square and cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square. Two variable x and y. First take x equal to tan theta. X equal to tan theta. And y equal to tan phi. Okay. Now put the values. Tan 1 by 2 sin inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. And next cos inverse 1 minus tan square phi upon 1 plus tan square phi. Now just put the values of x and y. Okay. We know that the formula of sin 2 theta equal to in terms of tan 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan 1 plus tan square theta. And cos 2 theta equal to formula 1 minus tan square theta. These are the identities upon 1 plus tan square theta. These two identities we are using here. Now tan inverse. Now the tan 1 by 2 sin inverse sin 2 theta. And cos inverse cos 2 theta. Just put the formula. Now tan 1 by 2. These are 2 theta plus 2 phi. Not here the theta phi. After cancelling tan theta plus phi. 2 common लेके कट जाएगा tan theta plus phi. And the answer is tan a plus b equal to tan theta plus tan phi upon 1 minus tan theta into tan phi. Now put the values of tan theta and tan phi x and y. The answer is x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Tan theta equal to x and tan phi equal to y. Just put the values. The answer is x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Next question. Sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x equal to 1. Then find the value of x. We are using 1 equal to sin pi by 2. Sin 90 degree equal to 1. It means sin pi by 2 equal to 1. Now put the values. Sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x equal to sin pi by 2. The equation convert in the form of sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Now we can write the cos inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse 1 by 5. We are using the identity in this sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. We can use this identity. Now pi by 2 equal to sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse 1 by 5. Pi by 2 equal to this minus sin inverse 1 by 5. Identity. Sin inverse cancel. It means cos inverse x equal to cos inverse 1 by 5. It means x equal to 1 by 5. The value of x equal to 1 by 5. Next, question number 15. Tan inverse x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 upon tan x plus 2 equal to pi by 4. Now using the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is tan inverse a plus b. It means x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus x plus 1 upon x plus 2, 1 upon x minus 1 upon the formula of tan x plus tan y equal to pi by 4. Now simplify this. You will get x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus x plus 1 x minus 2. The denominator is x minus 2 and x plus 2. And this one is x minus 2, x plus 2 minus x minus 1 and x plus 1 divided by equal to tan pi by 4. Here is the inverse. The tan pi by 4 equal to 1. Now solve this one. The denominator cancel and solve this. You will get 2x square minus 4 by x square minus 4 minus x square plus 1 equal to 1. This one cancel. The answer is 2x square minus 4 equal to minus 3. 2x square equal to 1. Minus 3 plus 4 1. X square equal to under root 1 by 2 plus minus x square equal to 1 by 2. It means x equal to plus minus root 1 by 2. This is the answer of this question. Now question number 16. Find the values each of the expression in exercise 16 to 18. Okay. 16, 17 and 18. Sin inverse sin 2 pi by 3 equal to 2 pi by 3. Okay. तो we can write 2 pi by 3 को क्या लिख सकते हैं? pi minus 3 pi minus pi by 3. 2 pi equal to 3 pi minus, it means pi minus pi by 3. Pi minus pi by 3. So write here sin inverse sin pi minus pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 equal to 3 pi minus pi by 3 and pi minus pi by 3. The answer is sin pi minus pi by 3 is equal to sin pi by 3. It means answer is pi by 3. Sin pi minus theta equal to sin theta. Next 17. Tan inverse tan 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 equal to 4 pi minus pi by 4. You can write. It means pi minus pi by 4. Pi minus pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 equal to pi minus pi by 4. Put here. Tan inverse tan pi minus pi by 4. Tan pi minus theta equal to minus tan theta. It means tan inverse tan minus pi by 4. Tan pi minus theta equal to minus tan theta. It means minus pi by 4. The value of this is tan sin inverse 3 by 5 plus cot inverse 3 by 2. In this question we have to take sin inverse 3 by 5 equal to x. It means sin x equal to 3 by 5. And cot inverse 3 by 2 is equal to y. Okay. So now cot y equal to 3 by 2. The cot y equal to 3 by 2, it means we can write tan y equal to 2 by 3 and sin x equal to 3 by 5. So cos x equal to, if sin x equal to 3 by 5, then cos x equal to under root 1 minus sin square x. We will get cos x equal to 4 by 5 and sec x equal to 5 by 4. If sec x equal to 5 by 4, then tan x equal to under root sec square x minus 1. Sec x equal to 5 by 4 square minus 1. It means it will get 3 by 4. Tan x equal to 3 by 4 and tan y equal to 2 by 3. Okay. Now this equal to, this one equal to tan x plus y. We can write tan, this one is x and this one the y. We have taken sin inverse 3yx is equal to x and cot inverse this, it means this is x and this one is y. Now use the identity tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x tan y. Put the values, tan x equal to tan y 2 by 3, tan x 3 by 4. 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3, 1 minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. Now solve. Take 12 LCM for 9, 8, 17 by 12 minus 6. You will get 17 by 6. 12 cancel. 9 plus 8, 17 by 6. Now the value of this question is 17 by 6. First we have to put x and y and convert this value in tan x and this one is tan y. Take the value of and put in the formula. Cos inverse 7 pi by 6 is equal to. Now solve this question, then find the value. Cos inverse cos 7 pi by 6. You can write cos 7 pi by 6, cos 2 pi minus theta equal to cos theta. We can write 2 pi minus 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6 we can write 2 pi minus this. It means cos inverse cos 12 minus 5 pi by 6. We get the value of 5 pi by 6. The right option is 5 pi by 6. The right option is 5 pi by 6. Next, sin pi by 3 minus sin inverse minus 1 by 2 is equal to. Now solve this question. Sin pi by 3 minus this. First I have to solve sin inverse minus pi 1 by 2. It means sin inverse minus pi by 6. It means sin inverse sin pi by 6. The value is minus pi by 6. This is the value of pi by 6. Now put the value sin pi by 3 minus sin minus theta minus pi by 6. Now add sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 equal to 1. Okay. The right option is D1. And the last one, tan inverse root 3 minus cot inverse minus root 3. Tan inverse root 3 minus cot inverse minus root 3. Tan inverse root 3 means tan inverse pi by 3. Okay. Tan tan inverse 10 pi by 3, sorry, tan inverse 10 pi by 3 minus cot inverse minus cot pi by 6 minus cot pi by 6. Now this one is pi by 3 minus cot inverse minus cot pi minus pi by 6. Cot minus theta, cot 90 minus theta. Convert minus pi minus pi by 6. Now solve pi by 3 minus pi plus pi by 6. You will get minus 3 pi by 6 equal to minus pi by 2. The right option is minus pi by 2.